Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the archive and device are ready. First, check the file size and CRC or hash to rule out a corrupted download. Bad source equals instant extract error. Next, make room, free at least 200 MB or about 10% of storage so temporary files can be written. Finally, ensure your Android system and ZArchiver app are updated. Outdated binaries can mishandle newer compression formats. Once done, you'll be ready for targeted extraction steps. Now, adjust ZArchiver settings to avoid common pitfalls. Change the extraction path to internal storage. SD cards often drop permissions or use incompatible file systems. Next, toggle the Use Built-in Extractor option, or switch codecs if the archive uses RAR 5, 7Z, or exotic compression. This fixes many format mismatches. If the archive is multi-part, assemble or rename segments properly, and use the Try Repair feature when available. These steps complete extraction by creating a fresh folder and starting the operation while watching progress and any error text. If the same error repeats, make sure to re-download the file or test the archive on a PC to determine whether the problem is the file or the app. If the file is fine but errors continue, clear ZArchiver cache and data, then reinstall it. This resets corrupted settings or permission states. One key troubleshooting tip: try extracting on internal storage first. SD card permissions are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.